Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I got a package. Well, I got a package from a brand called Temu, and we're gonna be unboxing this right now. But before we proceed, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible support to this girl on my channel. Yes, I'm gonna be dropping a video very soon on how I get brand deals. Yes, and how you can also land some brand deals as well. But let's go ahead and unbox this package. So let me go ahead and open it up. Make sure that you let me know where you're watching from. Where are you watching from? I want to know you. I want to meet you. Let's be friends. Yes. Go ahead and leave the comments. So just a second. Let me get a scissors, and we're gonna open this right away. And then we find out what we have right in here. Don't touch the dial. Okay, guys. I am back. I'm back. So here we go. Woo, voila. I'm excited. Trust me. Okay, so let me see. I think I'm gonna start cutting it from here. So okay, wait, let me see. Let me see. Oh, okay, I saw okay, let me just since I don't have any need for the packaging. Okay guys. We're gonna just unbox and find out what we have in here. I'm excited. Okay, you know what? Just a second. Okay. So guys, how is your day going? Let's even have a chat in the comments. How is your day going, guys? How have you been? What's up? So when I say how is your day going, or when I say how are you, I mean how are you? Let me know in the comments. I mean, it goes beyond just saying I'm fine. How are you? How are you coping this period? Is everything okay? You know, let's have a chat. So yeah, I go live every Sundays. I drop 3 videos every week. If you're new to my channel is about grants for small businesses, scholarship opportunities, fully funded conferences, and what have you. You know, so whether you're from Africa or any part of the world, you will find grants for yourself on my channel. So when I say grants, I mean free money that you don't have to pay back. So guys, guess what we have in here? We have human hair. Oh my goodness, what else do we have in here? Okay, I thought I saw something. Let me do like this guy, Sabinus. The guy is so hilarious. Okay, so we have this pack in here. It says 100% human hair. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so I have to pretty much just tear off this part of it. Okay. Ooh, voila. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. We have, before I open this, let me see, we also have a wig cap, and we have this headband, which is pretty. I love it. Okay. So right now we have this. Oh yeah. Okay. It's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna wear this, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like. Oh, okay. It looks just like something that I have, guys. Okay. So it's it's a human hair with it's a lace wig. It's a full lace wig with human hair. So guys, let's take a look at it. So just a second, guys. Let me take off my wig. And so guys, I received this wig from Temu, and it is very pretty. Trust me, this wig is super pretty. It is true to length and it has minimal shedding, and it also came with free goodies, guys. As you can see, it came with a wig band, and they sent another they sent a wig cap as well. In fact, two wig caps. I've had problems in the past with lace making. Lace actually made me lace wigs make me itch in the past, but right now, hey, this week did not give me that issue. It looks, you can see that it looks really, really good. Delivery was very quick, and the wig is super perfect. I'm telling you, it looks and feels like my own hair, but it's of course more luxurious. It has high quality, and you will love it. This hair is very voluminous. Yes, can you see? And it's super bouncy. It also has a gorgeous natural shine, as in right out of the pack. It looks like nothing had to be done to it whatsoever. You don't even need to bleach the knots or do anything. And secondly, this hairline looks just elegant, so elegant and neat. They really took their time on the closure, from the pre-plucking of the baby hairs, and it looks absolutely amazing. And the Swiss lace definitely enhances this effects. It blends so effortlessly, no matter what tone you are. And this was definitely bleached correctly. Hey guys, the medium cap fits me quite well, and this was what I actually expected. It's firm and it snugs, and the comb gives it an extra tick of protection against it slipping off despite any wig glue. Guys, I have run my finger through this hair over and over and over and over again, and I don't have a single hair loss on my dress. I'm telling you, this wig is flawless and it's worth every single penny. Well done to Temu. Thank you so much for sending me this wig to review for you guys. The combs are sewn in perfectly, and you have plenty of lace to work with, and there is lace at the back as well if you want a ponytail moment. Guys, use my link to purchase. Yeah, you get a discount code. Use my link. Use joy 8923. Yeah, that's my link, and also get 30% discount off your purchase. Aslan, go and buy your own today and thank me later. Find the link in my description as well as in the comments below. Guys, let me know what you think after purchasing. You know what time it is, guys. Is it given? Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and if you're gonna purchase yours right away. Thank you all. So guys, it's a 10 over 10 if you ask me. You can style it to be, you can style it up, you can leave it, I like it. So guys, go ahead and order yours today. Use my coupon code and thank me later. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Guess what? I have great news coming up very soon on my channel. Very soon on my channel. So stay connected, guys, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye for now.